So hey guys, welcome to my channel. Guys, in this video I'm going to show you Netbox global browser is useful or not. So guys, go on my channel, subscribe my channel and give like to all videos and just watch all the video for Netbox global earning or NBX coin earning methods. So guys, we can start the video. Guys, Netbox global browser is useful. So guys, this browser is look like that, and just you will make money in just in a week. So guys, you just download the browser. I will give a link in description. You go there and watch all video. How can it download? How can it use? Guys, it is very simple for using. It is very safe website. You will give emails and you just make money in a week. Guys, this is the browser. Like other browser, you will get it web store and many more. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you my wallet. So guys, I will make money in a week here, or I will make money in a week. So guys, hurry up, just go on my channel. You will get a link. You just click on the link and you will get your NBX coin for free. Guys, here my wallet. I'm just making wallet to you. You just use it. You will get your money in a week. In this browser, you will send NBX coin, receive NBX coin. In this software, you will get lotteries and many more. So guys, watch all the videos, how to sign up, how to make money in a week. You will get your NBX coin for free. So guys, thanks for watching.